No, we
Hello.
can all. Hello.
Oh yes, oh yes.
Yes, we can all log in. Yeah. So once you log in, this is where it takes you to. Then to begin a new article, I encounter I'm a box man. Box here then the
Hello.
is a near box here then the
Yes, yes, yes.
So I've been tabbing shot man. The queen be like it.
Hello.
Aumda.
Hello, Sadik.
Yeah, Aumda.
The mala ani.
Aumda.
Hello.
Aumda.
Njar me ya. I chair. Hello.
Yeah, Aumda Yelma.
I logi. I do page Maya.
Them can send it down when send them a tap. Then you have it in hand. You send a page matter.
Okay.
So this is the main page.
Okay.
Page I'm going to start new article. Page machine.
Okay.
So
before that, I made time to log it in point.
you have to log in with your username and password every time I'm trying to create the article that you are now logging in. So I see 2 people joining in. Let me just admit them. So once you log in, I know that we all have a username and passwords, isn't it? It's our username and passwords. Okay. So right now, I've logged in here. Log in my. Then to begin an article, I am starting article pile. Check out and kana. Annually. I get WP/DAG/P. And your main page ma then zanga kanaki. Inyelabo. Okay. So I am pilgrim article ma. Article ma the title nyelabo. Then ka ada creator ma. Alhaj Darajat. The article shall on the creator ma. The title. Karga Pilugu. So Karigu. Bo. Yala Karibu. Karigu. Pilugu. Bo. On screen.
Karga.
Okay, Karga. Okay.
Karga.
Okay. Okay, Kariga. So Kariga Pilugu. Anyar labo. Anya taban shao. Change ban shao. I could your page ma. I yala WP/DE. So I am sub article shama. They check out and type the title one first. Title one which but the button our typers are in capital letters. They small letters. You understand, yeah? You can start with everything capital letters is wrong. So Kema, the Tianurinya capital letter, Kapima Banya capital letter. Ama Rebetuna Rizanye capital letters. You understand, yeah, boo? So dinanka a type title mango. I click la filme label pali annually. So if I click on filme label pali, look at where it will take me to. I don't know kana shelbo. Alaj Darajat, I'm particularly talking to you about this. So uncle you umokare nzanga kana. The man la kama Microsoft Word nyele.
Okay.
So this is where to begin a new article. Check out started article pale in Dagbani Wikipedia. So I'm typing a content now. Type content. Let me just I think let me go and check it and then demonstrate to you how. looking for content. Okay.
Woman, the bar panka. Mommy champion. Also.
Then develop Dagbani Wikimedia. Dagbani Wikimedia. The project can develop.
I guess I
So Alhaji Daraja ten la and the type of share wrong ma dem kan yin zang na ten
Okay.
Dagban chekati zang ngoma na dem male information.
Barkatale.
Okay.
Katale.
Enta alaman na ki. Okay. So chekan lab na get today lab killing. So the compon different article that you create ma Dagban tin shanga many the dahia. So yeah.
Nang mga Be the dama bedahong this ani salamba.
So wala kan yan nang le. Tin shanga many
Ano the one time in the day you are.
okay,
Be na day you are.
the dahia. Ngo sa ayawo. Okay. So Dagban tin shanga many
Minute the day you are.
dahia. Chong ma de tianete level small letter. Dahi. Oh no, capital. Dahi. Dahinyala now. So yeah. Okay. Don't want to remember.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
So ti na ngoma. Ka click pilimi lahbal palle.
Okay.
So then you will be to you ya then the you ka kanate no wulan ko and the type of yer shangama.
Kala.
Popular and stable sonship ko kala na to paste click. Aya bo. To ama annan la ngoma da tiane title ma lan done the osa as heading.
Okay.
Tiane to zan title ma lan pan osa. Ngoma ran kunyala kama Microsoft Word ne beshema ka to ni Microsoft use
Okay.
they use ko mosa. So the tiane ayan liab kale head my head and mbala bekala. So I let anye head. Ama in the water kama I am created it you time comes out you abe source editor visual editing we kala mama source editing bala so the you labna visual editing then check it understand so I cannot take pencil them bezo sound I pencil ma wo I am changing them to visual editing. You can change the visual editing. Visual editing, I didn't simple taka to type. So time comes I'm making sure can visual editing. So katana cannot nang head and bala and your paragraph kibo. Paragraph in your paragraph. Because of bringing your head and I can take highlight it. Change it to paragraph but you are now a highlight long and I can click it heading. So the one get a heading. So that you are not bullet points. So I am bulleting that you are now highlighted is that cannot any bullet bow structure. Bullet list. Yellow.
Okay.
Iron a bullet.
Okay.
So then you list matter to another song like come on list. There's only cut and none. I'm just changing the dot to something that is more appropriate. I know, Mama, it doesn't. Hey. I know the current dot pama the banana yellow. So I can know like dot yinga cut space. Dot yinga cut space. Dot yinga cut space. So this is the right way to do it. As at now, to create the article in Balama, I'm at now publish it.
Okay.
My neck are not yellow. So then Nanka, then yet can see you am at the Tuanetano like a bold Benyarama. To make it bold, you have to highlight it. And the Tuaneti highlight it and smile, you are cannon bold. So I highlight the marker canarula and your bold. You might could click it, drop down on your board, can add a level board. That can I keep. You can level board. That can I keep. You can highlight it. That can level board. In that order. In that order. Available. Yeah. Didn't get to see you. I didn't check out the board.
Hello.
I mean, so my question be ten na impartial woman. So my what I be.
Bahong jan.
Yeah, bro.
Second one, my brother.
Bung balaga. Bung balaga.
Hello.
Hello, umda.
Manager ma. Bunungo ma yanzi ma. Tiri ta'atin na ya.
Na ya bro. No.
Kace
Yen di maya. Den ka so kamza mi so. Ten ne to nang shell nyala ay nang la bracket na ya.
To.
So dan muna ten to nang longo. Yeah. Mbang ami Shafa be call was. If you are there, you can leave us a message because she was one of the reasons why I organized this call. She and Al-Hadi Darajati. So I want to make sure that she's here so that I don't go back to start all afresh. So tell me partial, I mean, understand Yabi. So in my question into boy at this particular stage. Oh, question me the kind of
okay. Mr. Sadik. Iya buah maya. Aumda. Like anto sona tunya laba shan sabla karpani kar o sab karka buku shan no reference wala ko endang la.
Then a problem because everything being a Wikipedia guidelines it has to be like a proper article, like, and a proper article is an article that has references, because Wikipedia is not a platform for you to come and put anything you want. Then come incubator, the life. So then check out to never to know the mistakes can go away with it now because the
Okay.
are not current because they know that we are testing it and we are building it. But Wikipedia the mama I chant is subvention a reference then delete them immediately.
Okay.
And because there are people who go around the articles to see anything that you put on there, they check it and then they make sure that it tallies with them.
Kam na bor
Them-
shamya
them-
tuma buku she na bor shamya
Mm.
tuma buku she ka bonle Dagbani history written by our eminent lawyer Ibrahim.
Yes, tinto sab tinto you see in when she come them there then they nan karanyala the publishing.
But I tell you, the moment the publish, yeah,
No, or you'll
Go
paris
publish it.
don't publish.
or you'll paya
What
karmal
will be on?
ka title paya. So thing is
Yes.
this article
The Dagbani history.
tinto useless.
Okay, because a lot of Binyara Pamla Bukuman.
So
Kuno power. Haro malbukusha yana the African king of power.
tinto
Yeah.
useless because I sub article now. No way when reference booksham. I am referencing online is different from books. So book I am referencing I am sablala atama oyule the book ma title the
And the press.
year shelbum publishing ma abalabo. So I cannot karam la history ma bela abalma Wikipedia puni. Onto to be sure that kanyan and cannot nangle kaso yurlam yele o mal
Okay.
reference lo enchant le karon kama some publish it. So it doesn't matter whether it's a national or a school book, a book that is recognized by an institution or the government of Ghana. Once the book has been vetted and reviewed and made publicly available, you can reference it. So until the information shall come them there on Wikipedia, provided you can what? Provided you can add references. So to add reference,
Mr. Sadik.
mm,
Mr. Sadik.
yeah, wonder.
Mr. Sadik.
Hello.
Kara de la nuya de nyala la bashal anyama. Te
Mm.
kon le kama so stable pas au Facebook was. C'est le seul ko stable carrière kama dans quoi Dagbani ben chafu. Kanu to liab gele Dagbani le ma. Al liab gele kayam publish le. De tiena dans de la ma dans liab a reference point B to kutuna.
So la adema the oral citation. Wum.
Okay.
Bala a wum de o sam pa.
Okay.
So wula kati en ban kama on yer shel ma yamale nyele. Amala
Tama yamale nyele.
you cannot agree. Amari nyala book and publish it. O sablem nang bang ne. Nyala ronten ko na ma ban to verify. Even most of the books that we know, I sabuku shela go through nirban no ne. Table kama an saban sha kama the dunya. Ama na chan Facebook. Itu saban sha ana bor shela kan sab ha din ye yaman ba wala ka so kan yan ba na kama ana sab shela yaman yel. So I call the Facebook ma da tu ana abang shepolo jila la abalwana. So that don't want to carry on saban sha ma ya velen yel perfect karnan very good. Ama for Wikipedia purpose, unfortunately, it doesn't match with Wikipedia's guidelines like rules and regulations because we are not allowed to take information from social media or hear people like Achan Tijine to some ko yela to a sable because until yela anything them pa yamale. So it is always important for the purpose of project shelter we are building it. And this is the right time for us to make all the mistakes that we can make and then correct it. Didn't allow Wikipedia mama to jump in straight. So now a lot of Zana give up, like most of us, because the last strict rules, the Malban Shakabonda neutral point of view and writing from a neutral point of view, and also, foregoing words like weasel words. The year Shanga Iron Sabbath, maybe Angela Balshele, Kabor now sub Balshel information. Now, Karniela maybe Amanda, but to Ashra. ka chante saban borshele ntiba so laban yarma da mala law kare protected laban yarma so an chan Wikipedia mama mpune akuto nan laban yarma so la ka te bor ni ngoma agba kana te be ama den nan karna ba pala ama de tiani tenungula you have to learn the right thing kacha an chan to couple Facebook nzana tenante so ku garga for now ten yele ka accept la ama ula with time no DT kind of life Bapa recognize the command is one of the 300 languages of Wikipedia. That means ban delete because there would be no references. But then I post element, I publish element, you can the reference number. It is very fine. Until you see journal books, until you see newspaper, until you see academic books, online articles, until you see the ZAR for references. So referencing is very, very important when you are talking about Wikipedia because that is what makes Wikipedia what it is now. Even though they allow everybody to edit it, but we always say not every stupid person can edit Wikipedia. But when you come there and you don't do the right thing, they will ban you, block your IP account and all those things. So you have to learn it the right way and do the right thing for the public use because at the end of the day, did it down fan. So this is how we start an article. So I'm going to go ahead and publish it. But during yellow information I yell from a source. Let's say I yell from online day book. You would have come to do what? To cite it, give your reference. To add a reference that you are not going to an article the ending. Then you come to insert. And click insert and kind of more marker, scroll it down. I scroll it down until Kanya basic reference. Basic reference. And your basic reference marker, click along. Okay. So this is how you add references to an article. After writing it like this, we have not published it. Okay. So I'm before now. One thing I will ask you to do is go to the bottom of your page. Let me publish this first. Let me just publish so that I will show you how to change it so that it will look like you are on your computer, even though you are on your phone. And then I'm get it down. I get down mobile view.
Mobile view.
So I click it. The desktop man. Mobile view. Mobile view. The mean mobile view can I cannot create desktop. So desktop ma car level them be share phones. Then you very easy ta. So every time that you are not desktop. So this is where you can change it. So take notes if you are just joining us for the first time. Take notes.
So no borshamya. Zazarik.
Yeah, onda.
I click share kala benyarma before can I to choose
so let me go back to that. I am going back to that. Check out the demo. I get top ma. Not check out the selected paragraph ma. Paragraph more.
Okay.
Check out and use it bold. I'm born bold. Italic. I bought nan link. Never deep link. Never deep link. But I'm born reference. Check out and can insert.
Okay.
So anytime you want to add a reference, you don't type it by yourself. You click on insert.
Okay.
Click insert ma. Anya then kind of all these things. Sometimes anya more. Then it will come here. You come down and look for basic reference.
Okay.
I don't know if you are getting it.
Yes, we are in. We are online.
So when you click on basic reference, it will open something like this.
Okay.
And this is an example of using a reference from online. Let's say Angel Justice FM online or My Joy online. Then you now go to our website ma. Inte highlight sama. And you information article man I highlight like URL the whole of Kyoma za. Angel I highlighted za. To highlight it, you just if Daniela computer, so I can double click them. During your phones, I'm sure you people know how to highlight and copy from your phone. So then you now copy this thing. If you copy it, then you come and paste it here. You don't type anything, just paste everything here. I don't know Shambo.
Okay.
Then you click on insert. Insert now on the top now.
Okay.
And click insert. Look at what will happen. Here then level Shambo.
Okay.
So reference man bon. So here I'm karam bang your information marshal. Keko ende. Karango chang la website man. I don't know if I'm making sense.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Okay. So
But before publishing, second term shall the summer. Bung balaga, they bung again. Last month,
okay.
Last month.
Okay. So I'm gonna check on going back. If I am lab back, check I can back and do.
yes.
Don't lab back man. So
The
Microsoft Word.
yes. Okay.
So I cannot take on reference bo canon both. Let me have my 1 minute. I'm sorry. Hello. Good afternoon. Sorry, only call, important call, sorry. So the Tianete publish the Vikala. Who la 2 things in Balatinang head and bow paragraph heading. Canang bold italic, meeting and non bold italic sham.
Yes.
Meeting and add a bullet list sham, the number. Uncle can your bullet list, number list, everything here. Cap Kalan Nangula insert, tell me 10 on the insert sham. Reference, insert reference. Now we know all these things. Now let's talk about links. Links.
Mr. Sadik.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Mr. Sadik.
Whom
Tincha refresh Maya. Martin yan no sham nina nyesha website ne kana tuma pompo let's take kama anya karapa website ne ka buku na kanyere. I had some book kanya like deep pattern publish kanya example an introduction to Dagbani an introductory course for beginners. Aunda. An introduction course to beginners, and then the book was written by Adam Peter Pazak, but they were published. So what are you?
I told you silly. I told you so because I don't want to sub-bookuma. All you need for book references, you ask about the name of the author, the title of the book, and the year of publication. Those are the things, and the page number where you get the information from.
Okay.
Page 3 or page 1 to 4. Or
okay.
page man information shares that man. then kind sub now. So to reference a book, unlike the website where you just copy the link, the URL, and paste it and publish, for books,
Okay.
it will ask you to write the name of the author. It will put name, first name, last name, and title of book, publisher. If there's a publisher, if you don't know the publisher, you leave it, and then the page number.
Okay.
It's the same way to insert that one. You have to be at the last full stop. Let's say we are just adding that reference to only this site alone. Maybe just you have to do that. If you are doing it for the whole of this one, then still you have to be here. If you are doing a particular reference, maybe you are getting this information from different pages. You have to do it in accordance with their page number. So you have to reference it one after the other. So then page 3. You have to come there and follow the format and reference it separately. And you on page 2. You do the same. But if you result on one page, you just come to the last stop here and then do the necessary references. I will show you how to do that. But in the meantime, just publish the content if you know the book is there, and just get the information of the book, the publisher, the name, and the title. You just write it at the bottom of the article. I will show you how to do it. It will be very difficult for me to show you on this Dagbani Wikipedia because we have not added it here. But if you have a book like that, you can put the information there and get the details of the references and just put it there. I will come and then help you figure that out. But for the purpose of this training, this is how far you can go with references. I hope I made some sense with referencing. Any question with regards to reference? Otherwise, I'll go to what we call links. There's something here. When you hover around, you see link. It's like a ring. Chain and data. That's a link. So, termine article shall be on carbon the Dagbani Wikipedia tamale. There's available article. So then your link you have to highlight it and let people know that it exists on Wikipedia in Dagbani. So you have to highlight it like this. Then come and click on this place, link. So when you click on it, because every article starts with WP, capital WP /DAG /Savilo. I don't know whether there's a Savilo article. Yes, available. Then we'll put Savilo there. Now it has turned to blue. So to make them a link, man. Because Savilo you understand?
Yes.
Because none of them a link because Savilo article. Wikipedia so land mo karam de ti on to lan chang the karam available Tamaliba Mali article. So let me do same for Tamali. I like it the same way. Everything you do, I like it.
No,
Then you come and click on the as link. Then you come to W Tamalimbon. Then click select Tamali. To make la Tamaliba link ma. Then Tamali. Article /DAG/ okay, then the Naka article. So people know the link. But not only the link, I bought now create it. You don't know the link. I bought now click create the article and to know the link. Highlight the whole of this. Highlight the whole of this. Then I So I'll make it the link. So anytime somebody creates something, it should be there. So at this point, we have created an article like that. I will go to publish. Can you see publish? So now, and anytime you make a change, they will ask you to describe what you have done. So
Sadik. La manyanga ka never show. Jonga ma katong da. Yo. Kalang ma katong da. So en sharing kana ne ma. CIN ang ma tola en ma de mi jeni ma ne.
En ma
en ma be ne ana kana safulugu da kan ma tola en ma go be jeni. So then no na.
So then now shall article Namala sorry yarmo.
Daramala so yarma to dango wunda.
Okay, so at this point, I'll publish it.
I was just agreeing with what my brother was saying.
Hello?
I said I was agreeing to what my brother was saying. Yeah, it's not, it's not supposed to be there.
Okay, so at this point, design how to start an article. Does I understand your point?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to publish it. So anytime you are publishing a new article or you are making any change, they will ask you to describe what you have done. So when somebody comes, the person knows what you actually did. So I'll just write, I created a new article. So this is what I've done. Then I click on publish page. Okay. So just create the article number. I mean, you understand, yeah?
Okay.
If you have any question, or do you want me to go back to where you start? Because those things are where you start is very important before you even get here. So I'll close this page. Then I'll come to show you how you start again so that you can be very sure when you are creating your own article. I'm going to close this side. That link, share Wikipedia link is very important that we all have it in hand so that anytime you go, you can just, this is it. So this is where we started. Main page mambo, and for you link my first thing you see is here. And this box, you type the name of the article you are creating, maybe Ebola. You make sure the first letter is capital, then B is small, L is this. Then click on Ilmullah by Mali. So this is how it is. And you now paste whatever information you want to put here. I hope we have all understood this part. If you have any question, any other question? Do we have more questions?
Hello. Yeah, Andre.
No.
Okay. You realize come on, no join the conversation, ma.
Yeah.
But that's really most of the time I've tried, but the Nyamu come and I have something else to do, so but to join ra. So I'm working from home, but I just feel that I can just join in, and just listen. Most of the I'm not familiar with some of them. This all can be interrupted whilst we are all talking. But it's good that I could join them and hear how things go. Hopefully in the future, I'll be able to join as required. Yeah.
And I would also like to announce that we have a final training on Sunday before we start.
Sunday.
This Sunday, it's a whole day program. We are going to teach the same Wikipedia. We teach
Okay.
Wikipedia as well. We teach all the things that you need to know. It's going to be a whole day, and we'll give data allowance to those who join the course. And then we'll also teach you another new thing called Wikidata. And because we are having a contest coming out, a major contest, a whole month contest from October 1st to 30th October. And contest now, it will help us create articles on the people that have been interviewed on My Northern Achiever and Sagani TV. We have selected some list of notable Dagumba or Dagamba to write articles on them for English Wikipedia, Dagbani Wikipedia, and then Wikidata. So what we ask you to do is to create articles for these people based on a certain criteria. We outline them. So when you follow that criteria and you add those information, you sign your name against it to claim that you are the one who did it. You award. You give awards. There's a lot of awards that will be given to those who make the most contributions. More articles or editing. Even if you don't have an article, maybe the person already has an article. You have to make edits. You have to edit information in order to win the prizes. Yeah, so the contest will begin on 1st of October. And as I said, the prize is huge. If you don't join the final training, you may miss out. Maybe you know how to do Dagbani Wikipedia. I don't know the rules on English. You can't use the Dagbani alone to win. You have to know the English as well, and then also learn the data to be able to participate fully.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so people can win as much as 500 gold.
All right, okay, that's fine.
Because I don't want it to be like when we start the workshop, in my time, it's like Yama, fire,
That's true. Yeah, okay.
The time that you need me, I'm here one-on-one, group anytime, any day. I like that most of you are following up with me on so many people have been engaging me on WhatsApp, chat. Because I've seen that most of them have created a lot of articles and they are making progress. And this project, after the contest, so many things are coming out. And if you are not fully abreast with what you are doing, it will be difficult for you to follow up. It's quite hard. So I would advise that we all join the call on Sunday and really participate coming October.
Thanks. I think it's helpful. Yeah. Good.
I mean, you're the one talking about you joining us.
Yes. Hello.
I don't know if you created.
In fact, I'm the breaker from the end. Yeah.
I'm asking. And I mean, creating Wikipedia article.
No.
Okay, but you know how to edit.
Yes. I have gone through the process on another, and I'm sure it follows the same procedures.
Yeah. So
Okay.
the Dagbani one, because it's not live, is quite different. When you I'll drop the main link on the group chat so that you can just pick it and save it somewhere, because then that be incubate tama.
Yeah. So
It's difficult to search it and get it. So you just have to
yeah. Okay, that's good.
So this is where you begin a new article on Dagbani Wikipedia, because it's in when you open the main page and it says Amara Bana Wikipedia, this is what you see.
Yeah.
And you don't cancel this thing, or you just go ahead and type the heading of the
Article you want to.
Ali. Maybe
Okay, that's fine.
for Abu Ali. You write it,
Yeah.
the first letters should always be what? Capital. Then you click Pilmelah Balfali. When you click on Pilmelah Balfali, it takes you here where you can do all the things that you have to do. You paste your content, information. There's heading, how to add heading, bold, italics. Let me see.
Yeah.
Always make sure you are on source editing. There's a small pen here, a pencil here. You come there and make sure that you are always on source.
Okay, that's good.
With that, you'll be able to do all the things that you want to do here. So after that, you click on publish. So pretty simple,
Okay.
straightforward.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So I hope
Thanks.
that I've made some sense, and I hope that you join us.
Hopefully, I should be able to do that this time around. Yeah. Okay.
So if there are no questions, I would like to end the call here, because
that's okay. Yeah.
So thank
I
you.
mean, so yeah, for some of us, I couldn't have anything to do with Dagbang, and it is like this. You want to be part of it, and learn more. Sometimes some of us haven't been around for a while, but so the more it's not very interested in them. You're also updated as to what's going on back home. So the Raniel, I just quickly had to sign up to it. But sometimes Katam Katrina started to the genre, but just to go on there and read, but is worth a lot of knowledge, to learn from. So hopefully, you see more of us with articles and other contributions as well. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
This thing started in 2015 by group of medical students during the Ebola time.
Okay.
So we were writing articles, and most of them were not well versed. They didn't know much about the Dagbani characters and things, but they were excited the opportunity that Wikimedia Foundation. As I said, this project is fully sponsored by Wikimedia Foundation, and they are really excited about that.
Sure.
They have given us grants to run this project, and the first one is just the contest. There are so many things coming up
on it, yeah.
Because of the coronavirus, we've done a lot of that for other languages in Ghana. I am based in Accra. We've done that for Wikipedia. It was successful. We had DW covering it for us.
Yeah,
The world know that there are people in Dagbani translating Wikipedia articles into Dagbani
as well.
Into
okay.
So it's really excited, like an exciting for everyone to be able.
It does feel so, yeah.
If it has to do with our own language. There are so many times you go online looking for information in Dagbani, you don't get it because they are not.
That's true.
And now Google with their artificial intelligence, when you go to Google
it's able to come up,
you'll be able to see translations and all that. We've worked with other like Gboard. We've worked with a developer team with Wikimedia Foundation, and they've come out with the Dagbani characters. So now that we have the opportunity and we don't have to pay anything, let's just
let's make the most of it. That's it.
And right now it's still in the test. It's like a beta version.
Period.
A fully and how do we get it to be added? Right now Wikipedia is available in over 300 languages. So when they see us like doing a lot
contributing in their activity, then they would.
To them that we have to one of the like among the 300 languages as well. Then they will just make it live for us. Dagbani also
Okay,
moved worldwide.
that's good. Okay. All right. I think it's good. Thanks very much, Lord, and hopefully, yeah. Okay.
I'd like to
All
end
right.
here. And if you
Yeah.
have
Thanks.
kindly hit me on WhatsApp. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right. Okay. Then thanks a lot. Bye bye, Auntie sir.
Okay, then.